Introducing Dove's commitment to care and quality. Raw materials arrive under strict standards.
Every shipment is digitally verified. Traceability ensures consistency.
Ingredients are tested before use.
Materials are prepared for processing. Gentle cleansing agents move forward. Automation controls every variable.
Exact formulas define Dove soap.
Textures form at the molecular level.
Primary mixing begins.
Each component plays a role.
Dove's signature creaminess emerges.
Hours compressed into moments.
Engineers monitor every stage.
Heat and timing are carefully balanced.
The journey continues. Shaping the familiar bar. The mark of care. Laboratory verification.
Skin-friendly balance confirmed.
Packaging at high speed.
Sustainable wrapping materials.
Automation meets precision. Protection locked in. Branding applied consistently. Thousands wrapped per hour. Preparing for distribution. Secure packaging. Secure packaging. Bulk handling begins.
Delivered.
Optimized for transport.
Storage under controlled conditions.
Logistics in motion.
Full traceability maintained. Ready to ship. Dove soap heads worldwide. From factory to family. Entering the global supply chain. Ready for everyday use.
Simple, gentle, trusted.